Hi everybody, my name is Cesar Lescano and I will talk about how does an internal combustion engine work. This cycle has four phases: intake, compression, power and exhaust. During the first phase, the piston travels to BDC, bottom dead center, and the intake valve remains open, allowing the fuel-air mixture to be drawn into the cylinder. This doesn't mean that it enters the cylinder. During the second phase, the valves remain closed and the piston moves toward TDC, top dead center, and compressing the air-fuel mixture. When the piston reaches the end of this phase, a spark in the spark plug ignites the mixture. During the third phase, the mixture is combusted, releasing energy called dissipation of the gases and the movement of the piston toward the BDC. The chemical energy contained in the fuel is transformed into mechanical energy transmitted to the piston. We transmit it to the connecting rod, and the connecting rod transmits it to the crankshaft, from where it is taken for use. In the fourth phase, the exhaust valves open and the piston moves toward TDC, top dead center, expelling the gases produced during combustion and being ready to start a new cycle. Renewal of the allowed. That's all, and thank you.